Good morning, everyone. So, we have learned about three types of public sector enterprises, that is, departmental undertaking, statutory corporation, and government company. Also, we learned about five types of private sector enterprises: sole proprietorship, joint Hindu family business, partnership, cooperative society, and joint stock company. Now, let's further learn about global enterprises. We have three forms of enterprises: private sector, public sector, and global enterprises. So, today we are going to start with the global enterprises. Let's start with the help of this small animation and then further we'll elaborate in the coming videos. So, let's begin watching.
Global enterprises. An important type of organization, apart from the public and the private enterprises, is the global enterprise. Unilever, Coke, and Nestle are examples of global enterprises. Global enterprises are enterprises headquartered in one country, but with business operations spread throughout the world. In other words, these are enterprises which expand their industrial and marketing operations in several countries. Global enterprises are also known as multinational or transnational corporations, popularly called MNCs. MNCs operate throughout the world through branches and subsidiaries established in various countries. The headquarter exercises control on the branches and subsidiaries through broad policy framework of parent company. The production and marketing of their goods and services is scattered across the globe in the countries in which they operate. For instance, Unilever is a Dutch multinational headquartered in Netherlands and UK. It has operations in all countries except Antarctica and sells in 180 countries. Some of the key features of global enterprises are: these enterprises have huge capital resources at their disposal and can also tap the capital market to raise funds through equity shares, debentures, or bonds. MNCs may have collaboration with public or private sector for production of goods, sharing of technology, and use of brand names for products, etc. MNCs use superior technologies in their methods of production, leading to optimum utilization of resources. Their products and services conform to international standards and quality specifications. Due to availability of abundant resources, MNCs invest in highly sophisticated R&D departments for developing new products. MNCs use aggressive marketing strategies to increase sales. In India, MNCs have been able to control huge market shares in various product categories like FMCG, electronics, mobiles, etc.
So, global enterprises are those enterprises which have their headquarters in one country and their business spreads across the other countries of the world. Further, in the coming videos, we will elaborate more about the different types of global enterprises. Thank you all.